They are sweet, juicy, and without the hassle of spitting out seeds. The seedless grape. But is it a challenging task to propagate these grapes without seeds? And will we be eating pitless cherries in the future? You could almost call grapes a wonder of nature. They are capable of reproducing without the traditional process of pollination and fertilization. They have tiny seeds that do not develop and are essentially broken. Growers use growth substances and plant stakes to trick the plants. With this method, no seeds are needed to multiply the grape. How does the tricking process work then? Cutting is the most common method for cultivating seedless grapes. Growers start by cutting a piece of the plant, a cutting. In some cases, growers place the treated cutting on another existing plant. This is called grafting. Large plantations have perfected techniques where they continuously cultivate the cells of a high-yielding plant. However, this also has disadvantages, as it makes all fruit susceptible to pests and the same diseases. Seedless fruit, including grapes, is gaining popularity. This trend was first seen with seedless citrus fruits like oranges and mandarins.